Hi everyone, I am the Winter Bunny and today I'll be showing you how to make fluffy slime, and it's not too hard to make. And yeah, let's get started. You will need something to mix in and something to mix with. You will also need some PVA glue, some activator, some shaving cream and some lotion. So start by pouring in some glue. And I'm just going to pour that much. And then you want to add in some shaving cream and some lotion. So about that much. And then add in some lotion. So just about 2 to 3 pumps. And then just mix it. Once it's fully mixed like this, you can add some activator. So I like to do it by capfuls. So I add a little bit at a time. So don't pour it all in one go. And you can see it clumps together pretty quickly. And add in a little bit more. And at this point you can add in food colouring as well, but I don't want to. Oops. And sorry for any sound in the background. So now you can take it out and start kneading it in with your hands, and if it's still sticky, add in a little bit of activator. So I'm going to speed this part up. And now you're done. And so if it's too sticky, you can add in a little bit more activator, and if it's too hard, then add in some lotion, because that just means you over activated it. And don't forget to put it in a container. And yeah, so remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye.